Welcome and thank you for signing up for the free evaluation version of the Simple Ad Creator that will rotate your ads, your sites, and your blogs with one simple HTML code. Once you set up your free account like you have, this will be the first screen you see, and this should be the first video you are watching. I am going to click the Create Campaign button to get started. In this case, I'm just going to name it First Campaign. But at some point, you will probably want to get organized. Maybe you run ads for certain cities or certain types of products or whatever, and you'll find out or figure out a good way to keep yourself organized. But for this example, I'm going to name this First Campaign and hit Save. Once I have a campaign saved, I can create an ad, and I'm going to click the Create Ad button. And in this case, I'm going to name it First Ad. And I'm going to hit Save. Once the ad is created, I need to upload or point the software to images that are on the internet or on my computer. In this example, I have 3 images on my computer that I want to use for my ads. I'm going to click Add Image and URL. I'm going to select the image. And I already took a couple minutes and created these images, but this is a simple process that I will provide training on if needed. And in this case, I want to do an ad, homes with pools. So once I upload my image, now I have to select the destination, meaning when somebody clicks on the image, what website do they go to? I'm going to want this to go to a website that I own, that I capture leads on. In this case, I have a personal website here, and I have a button on my website that says Pool Homes. So all I'm going to do is highlight my URL up there. I'm going to right click and I'm going to hit copy. I'm going to go back to my ad creator, and in my redirect URL, I'm going to paste it in there. So you can see that that URL right there is this page on this website. So when somebody clicks it and sees the image and clicks it, it will direct them to that URL. So I'm going to hit save. But now I want my ad to rotate more than one image and direct them to more than one website. So now I'm going to click Add Image URL. And in this case, I'm going to select a horse property image. And I'm going to want them to go to a page on my website that has horse properties. So I go back to my site, I find the page on my site that has horse properties, and there's different ways to do this depending on what website you have, but most real estate websites you have allow you to direct users to a certain page on the website. I'm going to take this page up here, this URL up here, and I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back to my ad creator, and I'm going to paste it in there, and I'm going to hit save. One more image, just for this example. Is I'm going to hit luxury homes. So I'm going to select the image that I made for luxury homes. I'm going to go back to my website. And in this case, I'm going to get a little bit more specific, and I'm going to select golf subdivision in a certain city. And in Scottsdale, for example, there's a lot of luxury homes that are on the golf course in Scottsdale. So in this case, I want to direct the visitor to this page of my website, go back to my ad creator, put my redirect URL in there, and I hit save. Okay, so far so good. Now I'm going to zoom in on my page a little bit and show you something. This code up here is the only code you need to create your ad. I'm actually going to click the demo button so you can see what will happen as a result of these 3 images with these 3 links. I'm going to hit demo. There's ad number 1, begin your Arizona horse property search, and I'm going to click it. and it brings them to horse property page on my website. I'm going to close that out. I'm going to hit demo again. This one would be the luxury home search. I'm going to click it. And this is the golf course properties in Scottsdale. I'm going to X out of there. I'm going to hit demo again. And it's a pool home ad. And I click it. And you can see that it brings you to private pool homes. I want you to think about what you just saw there. Is this code can be used anywhere that accepts HTML, including blog posts and Craigslist ads. I'm going to go to Craigslist really quick, and I am going to log into my account. I'm going to hit real estate for sale. I'm going to hit Phoenix, real estate for sale, and I'm going to post. I'm going to go back to the ad creator, and I'm going to copy that code. I'm going to come back to Craigslist. I'm offering housing, real estate by broker. I'm going to say East Valley. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take that code and put it right there. But I'm also going to throw in some text. Interested in seeing all Arizona real estate? Click the image below to be brought to our easy and free to use home search. Amazing Arizona home buying opportunity. So I want to make sure that I put in a title that is compelling, that when viewed, a consumer will look at it. You do not have to put in a price, bedrooms and bath, but you will want to choose housing type and house if that's what you're marketing. You do not need to put in square foot. And if you want to run your ads for a specific location like a city, you would put in a city there. And then I'm going to hit continue. So all I did was I copied that HTML and posted it in my posting description. I did put a little bit of text, and I'm going to hit continue. I do not want to add additional images, so I click done with images, and there's the first ad. I can click continue, and now the ad is posted. Every time somebody sees the ad, it will rotate through the images, and it will rotate through the site that it directs the visitor to. If I come back over here and I click campaign management, this is where it gets really cool, because the software does more than rotate your ads and rotate your URLs. It actually tracks how many people saw your ad and how many clicks there were. So I'm going to click on first campaign and first ad. And by image, I'm going to be able to see that this one was seen twice, this one was seen 3 times, this one was seen twice, and each of them was clicked once. So this is an amazingly simple way to test your ads to see which ones perform the best. Hope this helps. This is the intro demo video for Simple Ad Creator. You are in your 3-day trial, and we hope that you decide to upgrade and use this to create lots of ads that will direct lots of traffic to what you have to sell. Thank you, and have a great day.